तशरीफ रखिए, तशरीफ रखिए. It means sit down please. तशरीफ रखिए means sit down please. तशरीफ तशरीफ रखिए, तशरीफ रखिए, तशरीफ रखिए, sit down please. Another word for sit down please is बैठिए, 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 sit down please. In तशरीफ रखिए, the sound T is soft like as it is pronounced in French. तशरीफ रखिए. And in बैठिए, the T is hard sound as it is pronounced in English words 10, 20, etc. So this is तशरीफ रखिए, this is तशरीफ रखिए, sit down please. And बैठिए, बैठिए. Both are formal, while तशरीफ रखिए is regarded as a more cultured word. It's more cultured to say तशरीफ रखिए. And the informal word for sit down is बैठो. बैठो, बैठो means sit down. बैठो, बैठो means sit down. This is informal. We use this word with friends and with the younger people. We say बैठो. But with the strangers and elders, we say बैठिए or तशरीफ रखिए. It means sit down please. But तशरीफ रखिए is preferable. Okay.